Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to check out the best method to use Cash App for monthly expenses. Alright, it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic, so let's jump straight into it. Alright, so the best method to use Cash App for monthly expenses is predictability and separation. You want to identify recurring expenses such as subscriptions, utilities, or transport, and fund only the required amounts into Cash App each month. Use notes to label each payment clearly and avoid mixing monthly expenses with casual spendings, just so you can maintain clarity. Consistent monthly funding keeps expenses organized and of course prevents overspending. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough, at least to some extent. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.